Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Friends, myself CA Ajarathi and I am here to announce an important announcement for those students who want to take classes in English. Friends, we are here to announce my classes for group first and group 2 accounts and advanced account in English. These are the lectures which are being delivered totally in English. Now, first of all, I would like to bring to your knowledge one more thing, that these are not the recording of earlier batch. These are the recordings which will be delivered to you after recording the classes just before 3 to 4 days before the date of delivery. If you are getting the lecture on this day, then this was being recorded just before 3 to 4 days. Now, what is the features of the classes? As you know friends, as you know, today is the environment of huge competition. Now institute is also designing the examination pattern totally based on practical questions. Based on practical questions which are being totally in a practical environment. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you, what the topics will be covered, what the coverage will be of this batch. Friends, in this batch, first of all, I will explain you concept with the examples. Then there is the question of practice, and practice is from which book? Institute study material, illustrations and practical questions which are being after illustrations. Also one more thing is there, but the advanced questions are not there in our institute study module nowadays. During the pandemic situation, the paper pattern was very easy, but now the pandemic is approximately over. Now the question is totally based on practical life, and in this case what we will cover in our classes: illustrations, practical questions, and those advanced questions which are totally totally based on practical life, and those are also important for exam. After the each chapter, all the past 10 attempt questions are also there. You need not to search other book. Now one more thing is also there. After each chapter there is a summary of all the concepts and doubt, and after each chapter you will also find the test video, test discussion based on the chapter. Now, one more thing I would like to introduce is, see, this is the syllabus of our respected institute. See, here is weightage for each chapter as per institute, and we have also considered the importance of this weightage in each chapter. See, institute has given the weightage of these chapters, each and everything. Okay, chapter wise we have also covered these things in our book. See, I would like to show you my book. Friends, this is the cover page of my book. Now here is the content of institute, which institute has described you totally the syllabus. It is the syllabus as per institute website. Each and every chapter is here in content, and we have reclassified these chapters into three parts. First part is other than company and other than accounting standard, and second one is totally based on the chapter which belongs to company, and the last one is totally the chapter which are accounting standard. Okay, now I would like to show you my book. Friends, after each and every chapter I have also inserted the examination questions. You will need not to search anywhere in any other book. See, this is the chapter. We have even also covered the theory part, short notes. See, and after these you will find the chapter chart also. In each and every chapter, what is the topics, what is the topic coverage. Next, after each chapter you will find the examination questions also. See here, these are the questions after each and every chapter which belongs to past 10 attempts. These are the examination questions, and also one more thing is there which need not to be searched by you on any other place. Revision test papers are also there. RTPs, which are called in short RTPs, and also one more thing is there, MTPs. MTPs are also there. Okay, RTPs. Now what? Next. These are the chapters. You know, nowadays we belongs to a practical environment, and now the examination patterns are also being going to be very practical based. Where is the use of chapter? In each and every chapter we have inserted the pictures so that students can know where the chapter will be used practically. Like in departmental store, there will be use of departmental accounting. See, malls are also there, which are totally based on the in this chapter. Students do not know where to use the chapter when they go to article sheet. See, see, one more thing I would like to say. As you know, in case of insurance claim, you will get the picture of these things. Next, where is the use of accounting from incomplete records? Who are the person who are not maintaining their records or maintaining partially? Where to use this chapter? So we have also inserted the chapter. A picture so that student can know where to use the chapter in the practical life, practical environment. Not only to pass the exam, not only to get the marks, but also to use the chapter in practical environment. See, where is the use of the chapter? See, at least students must know in articleship period when his boss say go and prepare the financial statement, then how they will prepare and for which client they will use which chapter, huh? These understanding is also totally in class. See, chapter is branch. Chapter is branch. There are two types of branch: dependent branch, independent branch. Okay, so these are the dependent branch examples. We are also here to categorize the things as per relevant charts and pictures. After each and every chapter, as I told you, that not only the questions but also the things are there which belongs to totally past examination pattern. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you. See, as you go for any particular chapter, redemption of preference shares, you don't even say seeing the preference shares, but you are doing the accounting. So I would like to tell you that beta, when we are teaching you in class, then we are also showing the preference shares. When you are preparing the financial statement of companies, then we are also showing there you financial statement of companies, how these are looks, how these are prepared. Do you know financial statement of companies are prepared in totally in Excel sheet? Yes, we are also here to show you the things how these chapters will be used in practical when you are going for article sheet. See, one more thing is also there. As you already know these things. See, it is the examination based. It is the last exam paper. It is the paper of last recent exam, December 2021. Although I have recorded a solution video regarding this, but that is only in Hindi. For you, we will also cover all the latest examination papers along with the chapter, each and every chapter, and you will find that you are going to appear in exam with full effort, with full energy, with full preparation. So now it's the totally up to you. Now Now, it's totally up to you. How do you want to prepare? If you are preparing only for theory purpose, if you are preparing only for passing the examination, then definitely you may be CA, but you are not earning there. You are not in practical. Do you know? Nowadays, all the things are being practical based in examination also. So, we are here to give you all the things in one show. Sir, can you also give your introduction? Yes, beta. I am also giving you my introduction. I am CA. I was qualified in 2010. 2010. Since then, I am continuously in teaching and also in practice. So, when I teach you in class, then I also give the totally reality of client, total reality of practical use of this chapter, not only for theory purpose. Okay. See, this is the brief of my experience. Since 2010, I was in Anshu classes, then Gabright e-learning classes, then E10CA, you know, very famous institution, Stargate e-learning also, and after that, at present, I am teaching in Lakshmi Nagar IGP classes. And since 2010, I am also continuing practice. In 2020, I have also done 53 branches of bank concurrent audit, and in that case also I got the things very much drastic. In those, I have found lot of things are there which student must know in practical life, in coaching life also. If you are doing the chapters without the practical knowledge, then I found most of the students were there with me on that audit. They were very, very, very poor in knowledge. They know if we give them question, then definitely they solve the question. But how to solve the question from the practical life? Do you know, in practical life, when we are CA and in practice or article in our office, then we have to see the question. Question will not be served in a plate. We have to see how the questions are there in practical use of these chapters. Uh, in second group, if you are doing banking companies, you know all the things of banking company, but when you go for bank audit, you don't even step forward even to read the properly balance sheet of bank company. I give you the practical experience of that these things. I have found all the students were there, they were like shivering. So please beta, when you are doing the chapters, then you must do the chapters totally based on practical knowledge. And I am here to serve you all the concepts, all the examples, and all the questions with practical based knowledge of my practice, which you will find that you are also using the chapter not only for getting the marks, but also how to use those chapters in the articleship and in the practice. Friends, based on the past examination, past student experience, what I have found, that most of the students do not prepare with the queries and their solution dictionary. I used to tell them that please prepare a dictionary of doubt and answer after each and every chapter. See, I am here to show you some of the doubt and dictionary chapter. See, doubt and dictionaries are also there. I have also mentioned some doubt and answer in message language after some of the chapter. Rest you have to prepare. See there is an example like this one. After each and every chapter, student used to ask these things. So at which brokerage percentage will be calculated, like in investment chapter? Simple message language is there, and after that answer is there. Brokerage is to be calculated at that. This one, these are also the dictionary. These should be prepared by students, but most of the students do not prepare. And when we go for exam. When we go for exam, we revise for exam just 1 or 2 days before. Then how we feel? Do you know? We feel like a handicap that we are not with the complete knowledge because we go for detailed revision 1 or 2 days before, and that's not the time to go into the detailed revision. At that time there will be use of these kind of dictionary which will tell us that what the solution is there for our maximum doubts. So friends, after each and every chapter you should also prepare like this. Okay, so it was my it was my it was my announcement regarding the classes for totally batch in English. And these recordings, again I am telling you that these are not the earlier batch recording. These are the recordings which will be recorded 3 to 4 days before the delivery. Okay, with all the updations and amendments. Sir, how can we get these classes? Friends, you can contact my staff, my team on this number. Okay, and after that, first you have to WhatsApp and you will get that payment detail. On the next day you will get the classes. Okay, and please also it is to be noted that you will get the book hard copy at your home. Okay, so it's my complete message to you. Now it's your choice. You want to take the classes from the experienced, practical, practice based chartered accountant who is also teaching from 15 years. Okay, thank you friends. It was just my a message. Three screens are also there which I want to show you in class what we will use. This will be the complete screen where I will come you to explain all the things with the expressions, and this is the totally copy based. Sometimes we will use this screen so that you can easily note down, and sometimes we will be on this screen when you will get the noting and along with explanations. Okay, so friends, it's my complete message. Okay, then bye bye. If you are seriously interested, then you can WhatsApp me on my this number. Okay, bye bye, take care, all the best.